Here are 5 ways to make money smartly and faithfully with Bible reference. Number 1, hard work. Hard work is the first principle of making money faithfully and smartly. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 23 tells us all hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. When you put in your best, you acquire skills and do what you're supposed to do, you will prosper. Then when you are just talking, you are there, you are talking, you can use your mouth to build skyscraper without doing anything, leads to poverty. Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 10 tells us that whatever hand find to do it with all your might. Do it with your best. Do it as if it's the last you're doing. Because it's only your best that will make you to be successful in that thing that you're doing. Number 2, honesty. Hate dishonesty. So make sure you are honest in all that you do. Be honest. Being honest does not cost you anything. It's just a price that you pay to be successful. In that your business, be honest. In that your working place, in that thing you do to make money, be honest. The book of 2 Corinthians chapter 28-21 says, for we are taking pains to do what is right, not only in the eyes of the Lord, but also in the eyes of men. God is seeing you. God is watching you. Not just only God, men are also seeing you. They are seeing your efforts. They are seeing what you're doing. They are seeing you. The parable of the talent teaches us about the importance of using our resources wisely. You see, the servant who invested their talents wisely were rewarded. Why the one who buried his talent out of fear? Be honest. Okay? Then wise investment. You must invest wisely. Don't put your money that will not yield in profit or increase. Don't put your money in things that will swallow up your money. Invest wisely and prayerfully. Okay, the book of Matthew 25 verse 14 to 30 talks about the talent, the parable of the talent. And what is this talent trying to teach us? That even the one that was given little, that one went to hide it. Use your talent wisely. Proverbs 21 verse 20 says, the wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down. The parable of the talent teaches us about the importance of using our resources wisely. You see, the servants who invested their talents wisely were rewarded. Why the one who buried his talent out of fear was reprimanded. So, use your talent wisely. Number 4, helping others. Helping others is a great key or another principle of making money smartly and faithfully. Chapter 20 verse 35 is, it is more blessed to give than to receive. When you give, you receive. That is a principle. In Corinthians, 2 Corinthians precisely, chapter 9 verse 7, Paul wrote, say each of you should give what you have decided in your heart, not under compulsion, not reluctantly, for God loves a cheerful. Give that which you can give, okay? Don't do more than yourself. Give that which you can give. Then the last one, believing in God's provision. You have to trust in God's provision. You have to trust in God's provision. In the book of Matthew chapter 6 verse 31 to 33, it says, so do not worry, what shall we eat? Or what shall we drink? Or what shall we wear? For the pagan run after all this, and your heavenly Father knows that you are in need of them. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all other things, all other things, all these things that we're talking about will be